Your engine might be trying to save its own life right now by refusing to start. Or maybe that check engine light is staring you down because the oil system is acting up. If you are dealing with the P252B trouble code, or its close relatives like P252A or C, you are dealing with the engine oil quality sensor circuit. This isn't just a minor sensor. It is the watchdog that tells the engine control module, or ECM, if your oil is too hot, too low, or just in terrible condition. Think of it as a lab test happening inside your oil pan constantly. When this sensor sends a signal that the voltage or resistance is outside the normal range, the computer panics because it knows that without good oil, the engine is toast. That is why this code is considered severe. In some cars, the system will actually shut the engine down to prevent permanent damage to the bearings and pistons. You might see a service engine soon light, a low oil pressure reading, or a specific check oil message on your dash. Before you go out and buy a new sensor, which is a common mistake people make, you need to do some detective work. I have seen too many people swap a sensor only to find out a mouse chewed a wire. Start by checking Technical Service Bulletins, or TSBs, for your specific year and model. Manufacturers sometimes release updates that save you hours of guessing. If that is clear, pop the hood and check the oil level. Is it low? Is the oil pitch black and sludgy? Sometimes just an oil change and topping it off clears the code. If the oil looks fine, locate the sensor on the oil pan. Follow the wiring harness. You are looking for burns, scrapes, or exposed copper, especially if the wires run near the hot exhaust. Unplug the connector and look inside. Is there green corrosion? Are the pins bent? A bad connection here is more likely than a failed sensor. If you have a multimeter, you can check for reference voltage and continuity, usually looking for 0 ohms on the ground wire. Remember, replacing the sensor won't fix a broken wire upstream, so verify the circuit integrity first. If everything electrically checks out and your wiring is solid, then you can look at replacing the sensor or even the ECM, though the computer is rarely the culprit.